If you're ready to create a FAFSA account and start applying for financial aid, here's how you can set it up step by step. Open your browser and search for Create FAFSA Account. The first link should take you to the official studentaid.gov website. Click on it and wait for the page to load. You'll begin by entering your personal information, your full name, date of birth and social security number. Keep in mind, only one account can be created per social security number. Next, you'll be asked to choose a username and password. Try to pick something memorable because you'll use this login regularly throughout your financial aid process. After that, provide your current mailing address and phone number. Then you'll be asked how you'd like to receive official notifications like student loan disclosures and interest statements. You can pick email or physical mail, whichever you prefer. The next step is setting up your challenge questions. These are used to help you recover your account if you ever get locked out, so make sure your answers are easy for you to remember but hard for others to guess. Before submitting anything, take a moment to review your details. If you spot anything wrong, you can still go back and fix it. Now comes the part where you verify it's really you. Each time you sign in, you'll need to confirm your identity. You can choose how, through a text message, an email, or using an authenticator app. You'll need to verify your contact info now to make this work later. After that, you're done. Your FAFSA account will be created and you'll get a confirmation email letting you know everything went through. That is it. Thanks for watching.